Okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, may I know your name?
My name is Mary Ann Catalonia. I'm 30 years of age, married, and residing at Barangay Lonoyroa City. I have one son. My husband is a baker. I am the third child in the family with 4 brothers and 1 sister. My father has already passed away. My mother is a businesswoman. I took up Bachelor of Science in Physical Therapy in Iloilo Doctors College, undergraduate, and that's all, sir.
Okay, any experience as a housemaid in Philippines?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how long?
2 years, sir.
Okay, how many members in the house?
3 years, sir.
Okay, who are they?
The older one is 64, and the other one is my companion cleaning the house.
Stay in the house with you?
Yes.
Totally 3 in the house, right?
Yes.
One.
Only 3. One is my companion in cleaning, and the other one is my employer.
There is 2 helpers with 1 employer.
Yes.
Why you got 2 helpers in the house?
Because the one is in charge of the gardens and the heavier work. Me is only to take my responsibility is really to take good care of the older one.
The old woman, right?
Old woman, yes,
She
sir.
got sick?
Yes, sir. But he's not really that sick.
Okay. But she can walk?
Yes, but not well.
Not well. Okay. When you did something wrong in the house, she angry with you, what you will do?
Well, I just, sir, I just asked sorry for my employer and promises not to do bad things again.
Okay. You know how to cook?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
A little.
What kind of food you can?
Well, I used to cook in our house, like Filipino cuisine, but I will really try to learn how to cook the Chinese cuisine.
Okay. This is the first time you apply to Hong Kong.
Yes, sir.
How can you solve your homesick?
Well, sir, I just have to pray and think that this is not only this is for the future of my families to earn money.
Okay. Any message to your future employer?
Okay, to my future employer, I am an honest, hardworking, and willing to work with you as much as I can, and I promise to finish my contract and to serve you the best I can.
Okay. That's all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.